Right guys, welcome back to ModNations again. It's Poi. So today we've got a BMW M4 in, and it's in for some new carbon fibre exhaust tips which we will provide for the car. So these are the M Performance style, finished off in a matte black finish in the interior, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do this in your own comfort with just a few simple tools. So you'll need something like this, like a cylinder head. This basically forces the current exhaust tips out, along with a 2 or 3 legged pulley. This actually pulls the exhaust tip out, and sockets and ratchet. So I'll show you how it's done, dead simple, and hopefully you can do it yourself as well. If not, you can always give us a shout. Right, so first things first, after we've jacked up the car, we enter this cylinder head, straight into the exhaust tip, get your 3-legged pulley, get it on there. I normally use a socket and place it there so you've got more like stability when you come to pull it out, and I'll show you what I mean. So there's hooks on the pulley. You just wrap that around the existing exhaust tips, and as you twist this will push in, and the grips on here will pull the existing exhaust tips out. Get it nice and tight. Once you've done that, get your ratchet. Do you know what, it's actually pretty hard to do it on your own. I normally have Simon here to help me, but he's busy on something else, so I guess I've just got to do this on myself. Okay, as you can see, I'm coming close. So I've pulled it out, and you can see that this is a lot more far forward than this one, and should be able to pull it out now. So there's the only thing that holds this actual exhaust tip on is just the sort of teeth inside this, if you could call it that. And they basically just clip on onto the existing tip on here, and you just have to pull it out. So now that we've done one, let's get the rest done as well. Right, so now that we've taken off the old tips, it's time to bang on our new carbon fibre tips on. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just slide it on, align everything, how far in or out you want the exhaust tip sticking out, and then just tighten it with a 14mm ratchet. And here comes the most satisfying part. And that's all you need to do. Tighten everything up, off you go.